Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 using common division method. Please follow the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Start dividing 6, 8 and 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all three integers exactly, we get 3, 4 and 6. Again, start dividing 3, 4 and 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both 4 and 6 exactly, we get 2 and 3, while this 3 remains unchanged. Again, start dividing 3, 2 and 3 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 2 exactly, we get 1, while these two threes remain unchanged. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1 and 1, while this 1 remains unchanged. Stop here since all the integers become 1. Now collect all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2 and 3. Therefore, LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 24. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe and watch the playlists below from beginning to end.